Gastronomic G95 PALM display case 1780mm long assembly. Unscrew the top panel of the package. Unscrew the side panels of the package. Unscrew the front and the back panels of the package. Warning! There are the front and the top windows on the display case. On the tabletop there is a top shelf. Take them out. Unscrew the 4 M10 bolts. Screw in the adjustable supports of M10. Remove the display pallets. Warning! Inside the display case there are accessories, side windows, sashes, shelf supports, metal wares. Take them out. Install the display pallets, having removed the protective film beforehand. Remove the display pallets. Align the display case with the adjustable supports. Install the side windows. Install the middle, side left and right holders into the lamp plafond. Install the lamp with 4 M6 to 16 combi screws. Install the shelf supports on the side windows, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the U-shaped profile in the middle of the display case with the double-side tape, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the divider inside the display case. Screw on the center shelf supports, having removed the protective film beforehand. Install the shelves inside the display case. Install the front window. Install the top window. Install the sashes, having removed the protective film beforehand. Gastronomic G95 PALM display case now is ready for use.